Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you and Allah, mercy and blessings. Dear Mrs. Dani Uswatun and all of us, my friends, first of all, let us say thanksgiving for the blessing that Allah has given us, so that we can carry out this event. Introducing my members, there is Anissa as moderator, Ita as committee, then Ika and Rehan as presenter. I would like to thank the participants who have taken the time to attend this event. I, as Master of Ceremony, we will deliver the event schedule. The first is the opening, the second is reading of speech by the committee, the third is learning material about films and their types, and the last is closing. That all I can say. Sorry, I'm Rehan Darmawan as the Master of Ceremony. Please listen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Then it will be continued by Ita as committee.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tamila Ainin as committee. In the case of literary fiction, is usually think of short stories, novels, and so on. Yet, although central is focused on verbal fiction, each chapter also devotes some attention to film, which can have an important narrative dimension. Now, the narrative aspect is not equally in all films, but the often is narrative aspect is absolutely crucial both for the way the films function and for its effect on the audience. Film language is essentially different from language in literature. However, the most important components of the definition we have given of time, space, and causality are central concept in film theory as well. Narrative terms such as plot, repetition, events, characters, and characterization. What is a good film? It is not to be expected or desired that all film devotees should agree in a common definition of a good film, but it might be reasonable to expect of professionals that establish basic criteria for approaching the problems of film analysis and evaluation. The small sample of the possible criteria is tightness of color, goodwill of president, office, build of screen, cinema awards won, applause of film producer audience. Thank you.
Thank you, Ita. Then it will be continued by Anissa as moderator.
Well, thanks to the Master of Ceremony, then I will continue of the discussion on this equation. Previously, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Anissa Putri Wijayanti as the moderator. On this equation, the presenter will convey about various types of film genre. The first presenter is Zahratul Nasika and the second presenter is Rehan Dwi Febrianti. To the first presenter, Zahratul Nasika, it's your time.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Zahratul Nasika as a presenter who will deliver the material. Who is a film? Film is an audiovisual communication medium to convey a message to a group of people get heard in a certain place. Drama. Drama genre is a thick telling about everyday life. The focus is on human interest and focus a lot on human relationship, which are reflected in the life of the character. The hallmark of this genre is emotional and full of conflict between the character. Example of drama film include One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest and Forrest Gump. Next, comedy. This genre film is most sought after to relieve stress from the workload or problems that have occurred. Yes, because the film present entertaining fresh humor. Stories in comedy film are presented very lightly, though sometimes hyperbole to provoke laughter from the audience. Subgenre: black comedy, slapstick, and romantic comedy. Next, horror. This genre tests the guts of this audience by spreading fear in this presentation. Spooky experience and sensation, apart from being shown with the explicit embodiment of ghosts or demons, are also reinforced by introductory music, lighting, and a film setting. Fans of the genre are usually those who also like a supernatural world, subgenre comedy horror, supernatural horror, and psychological horror. Next, adventure. This genre contains films that present the story of journey or exploration to a place with a specific mission. The mission can be in the form of searching for an object, a person, or the answer to an event. In Indonesia, several inspiring adventure films include Petualangan Sherina, Banda the Dark Forgotten Trail, and 5 cm. Action. Film in this genre present action or battles in their stories. In this action genre, who is the hero and who is the villain is defined explicitly, so the audience can easily judge and take side. One of the challenges in making film of this genre is that the players must master of learn material art move first. Subgenre is material art, disaster movie, spy film, superhero, and action comedy. Next, animation. This genre features films made by hand drawing of computer animation. The animation present can be in the form of 2D, 3D, CGI, stop motion, and so on. Walt Disney is a Hollywood production house. It's popular with its animation film. It is almost certain that every film released by Disney will sell well in the market. Some examples of his film include Frozen series, Toy Story series, and The Lion King. Next, documentary. Film in this genre are factual documentation about something that is reviewed in detail by conveying a certain message. Example of documentary include Living Neverland and Art of Killing. Next, family. Family film are one of the genre that are flooded with many audience, apart from the fact that the whole family can enjoy the story in this film. Also discuss a lot about daily life and daily family. That way the audience can relate to story. Example, Keluarga Cemara. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Rayhan Febrianti as presenter, and I will continue the presentation. Friendship. The friendship film is a friendship movie, and the friendship film is usually paired with the comedy, tragedy, or heart genre. Example of friendship film is 5 centimeter and The Intouchables. Next, romance. The romance films are love stories that focus on the romantic involvement of the main character and the development of their relationship. A romantic film or romantic movie that is also funny is called a rom-com or romantic comedy. Example of romantic movies is An Officer and a Gentleman, Titanic, and About Time. Next, fantasy. The fantasy film is situation, place, and event that don't comply with natural law or setting. They often involve some form of magic or supernatural element. There are sometimes magical creatures or beings too. Example of fantasy movies is Harry Potter, Highlander, Lord of the Rings. Next, science fiction. Also known as sci-fi, these are fictional stories based on science. They can be about the future or other worlds, and often include spaceship, extraterrestrial being or aliens, and advanced technology we don't currently have. Example of science fiction movies is Star Wars, Blade Runner, and Avatar. Next, thriller. A thriller film evokes excitement and suspense in the audience. A common theme in the thriller involves innocent people dealing with a deranged adversary. Example of thrillers: The Silence of the Lambs, The Sixth Sense, The Da Vinci Code, Shutter Island, and Midnight. Next, mystery. A mystery film is a genre of that revolves around the solution of a problem or a crime. It focuses on the effort of the detective, private investigator, or amateur sleuth to solve the mysterious crime scenes and of an issue by means of clues, investigation, and clever deduction. Example of mystery film is Knives Out, Sherlock Holmes, and Inception. Next, biography. Biographical films focus on someone's life story. These films are usually about very famous people. Biography films are also often the documentaries. Example of biography films is Bohemian Rhapsody. Next, musical. These are movies where songs are sung by the character as a part of the narrative and usually help advance the plot or develop the film characters. Sometimes there are dance routines to accompany the songs. Example of musical film is La La Land, Mamma Mia, and Grease. Thank you.
Well, thank you to the presenter for the material present. I, as a moderator, apologize if there are words that are less pleasing. Next, I return to the Master of Ceremony.
Thank you for moderator. That's all of our presentation. More or less sorry. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.